aftermath of last week's major winter storm is still a problem across the DMV. The work to remove all of that snow and ice is still going on, and road and sidewalk dangers are far from over. 7 News' John Gonzalez is live in Northwest DC to tell us where crews are focusing and what drivers and residents need to know. John, good morning.
Hey, Adriana, good morning to you. And more than a week after this snowstorm came through, this is still a massive cleanup. And with those frigid temperatures sticking around, crews are not only still trying to clear roadways, but they're now trying to haul this snow and ice because it is simply not melting. Here in D.C., dump trucks are still moving snow from major roadways, including I-395 and I-695 over to the old RFK Stadium parking lots. And at the mayor's request, about 50 D.C. National Guard members are now helping clear sidewalks. And after questions from 7 News, alleys not normally plowed have now seen bobcats deployed to clear paths for trash collection. Regular trash and recycling pickup resumes today, we are told, and those fines for uncleared sidewalks. Business owners and residents, well, heed the warning. Those are back in effect now.
We need all residents on hand to help us get out of this storm. We are helping to partner with the city to make sure our sidewalks are safe.
Not just clear their sidewalks, but help their neighbors, their seniors, some elderly, or the vulnerable population who may not have the ability or the mobility to clear their sidewalks.
Now, the numbers show the risk. Virginia State Police, for example, reporting 88 crashes since Friday, including 6 with injuries, 2 fatalities, unfortunately. Icy roads still a factor this morning. Arlington calling this a once-in-a-generation snow hauling operation, with some commercial areas, including Roslyn, still very impacted. And here where we are, DuPont Circle here in the district, you can see some of these roads still very messy. Reporting live, John Gonzalez, 7 News.
All right, John, thank you.